In today's video, let me show you how to use the Binance Auto feature. Welcome back to this new guide video, everyone. If you're trying to set up the Auto Invest feature within Binance, in this video, let me exactly show you how it is done. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to either head over to the mobile app of Binance, or you can also do it from the website. Depending upon your case, you'll need to head over to the home page, where you'll be able to view the option of Auto Invest being displayed. Now there are two things that you can do. Either you can select the single token, such as pick only a specific cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin in order to auto buy, or what you can also do is select the index link, which is the portfolio plan, which lets you buy a mix of cryptocurrencies. So depending upon what you want, you can select one of these options. And once you've done that, in the next step, you'll need to enter in a specific dollar amount. You'll need to enter your funding source as well as your recurring cycle. If you want the auto feature to be enabled every week, a specific date, you can select that. And once you've done all of that, make sure you take a look at all of the information that is being displayed. So make sure you review your plans, and make sure you just tap on the confirm button. So as soon as you do that, you will enable the auto invest, and depending upon which option you selected, the auto invest feature will be enabled. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.